Would you like any whipped cream or chocolate sauce?
I'm good, thank you. I'm about to send this to my sister. So cute. Thanks. What's up, guys? So I found that freaking I need to stop saying freaking, like it's getting on my nerves hearing it. But I found that ice cream shop, like I was just driving by and it just looked so cute, and I love ice cream, so yeah, I had to have it. And this is good, like it's like homemade or something like that. You can tell, like this does not taste like cheap ice cream. I got Oreo because that's my favorite flavor. Yeah. Anyway, that's like my goal as of right now. Like I feel like downtown in Charleston, West Virginia, they're trying to really liven it up to bring more people here. It's not gonna happen. A lot of people are leaving, but they're trying to liven up. So they're bringing more restaurants, which is kind of an issue because West Virginia is like the #1 fattest state, and they keep on bringing these restaurants, and this is why we're big. But so I'm in Walmart because my job is having a ugly sweater Christmas party, and I decided to participate. I don't know why. I should have said that I was just gonna buy like prepackaged, but I decided I was gonna make a pea layered salad. Okay, so we got our ingredients. Of course, we need purple onion. I don't know how much. I might do 3 chopped up ones. I bought this to help because I hate chopping up onions. You gotta have cheese. So on the thing, it calls for sour cream, mayo, and then like some seasonings. You gotta have salad, peas, and bacon. You can either cook your own bacon or buy it. I'm buying it because I'm not cooking bacon. And cucumbers. Layered pea salad, you can literally put all different types of ingredients. You don't have to use just this. Just this is the part, or these are the ingredients that I like in mine. So that's what I'm making. All right, so in the recipe, they made like their own homemade dressing. I'm gonna try to do that. If not, if it don't taste good, I'm just gonna put ranch on it. But yeah. Okay, this thing is hard. Like, I am pressing my whole weight on this, and it's like, jeez. I'm gonna keep trying though. Okay, it's getting there. Gosh. Okay, this works better with softer vegetables or like fruits, because the onion, I had to go back, as y'all saw, and like chop it up some more because it just wasn't working. All right, so the salad is in. I just bought this iceberg lettuce. Next, I'm going to put my peas on. Okay, this is perfect. Now I'm going to add my mix of onions and cucumbers. The bacon is on. I'm gonna leave the rest of the bacon to put a little bit more on top. So the next thing would be, I guess, the dressing and then the cheese, and then I'm gonna put some more bacon. Okay, so let's make the dressing. So I thought I had some more mayo than this, so I hope this, like, you know. So it's done for now. In the morning, well, you put this in the refrigerator, just wrap it up. In the morning, you can put your cheese and some more bacon on it, and it's done. That's it. And I promise you guys, if y'all make this for like a holiday, honestly, it's not even a holiday dish, it's just a regular dish. Y'all can make it anytime. It's gonna be a hit. It's healthy. Now the dressing, you can make that healthier. You don't have to add sugar, or you can add like a sugar supplement. If you don't want to do like mayonnaise and stuff, there's other recipes that you can use, so you don't have to use just that. I just decided to try it, and if the people at my job don't like it, it's okay. I'll take it home. We'll eat it. We'll eat all day. All right, so I'm gonna wind down for the night, and I will see you guys tomorrow at the Christmas party. Well, it's not really gonna be a party, but y'all gonna see me. Good morning, guys. So it's 7:30 something. I'm getting ready. I got my ugly Christmas sweater on. If you guys watched my second Vlogmas, I bought this at Walmart. So let me set you guys up somewhere, because at this job, this new job, we can wear jeans on Fridays. So I'm just gonna put on some jeans and some boots. Just gonna try to find some jeans, hurry up and get dressed, because I kind of woke up late. I always be waking up late. Like, I'm not, like, I should be getting up at 7 instead of 7:15 or 7:30, because I need to leave out the house by 8 o'clock to make sure I'm there on time. So let me get dressed, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so my tag. This is what I'm wearing. This sweater, these jeans. So we can't wear jeans with holes or nothing, and these are my only jeans that don't have holes, so I'm gonna have to buy some more if I want to wear jeans on Fridays. And then I just have these thigh-high boots because I think they go with them. Walmart. Oh, I got these jeans from Walmart too a couple of years ago, and these boots are from Torrid. So yeah, then I kind of just like crimped my hair last night just to do something different. Oh, let me show you. All right, so I plan on putting this on in the office because I don't want to be walking down the street looking crazy, but I definitely do think it's cute. There's a contest, who knows if I'll win, but I'm not doing it for the contest. But anyway, so because I'm new, I decided to participate in this thing, because usually I don't like to participate in stuff at work. I don't know, maybe because I've never really had like a good group of work friends. Like when I was at the hospital, I think my 3rd year in, I finally made like 2 work friends, but that was it. It's not like we hung outside of work or anything, but you know. But here, because I'm new, I don't really talk to anybody. I don't know anybody. Most of them are older, so there's kind of a disconnect when it comes to me and other people. I will say there are more Black people in my department, so that's good. The Black women always come and talk to me. I always, you know, speak to them, you know, respect. But other than that, it's a bunch of older white women, so we'll see how that gets along. But yeah, let me stop talking, and I will see you guys at the office. Very festive. I'm done with all my work, so I'm just chilling till 4:30. Okay guys, so I'm just leaving work, and of course it's like drizzling outside. It never fails. When I want to wear like a leave out or my natural hair, it rains. So I mean, my hair still looks okay, but anyway, let's talk about the party. So I couldn't film because there was like people monitoring the food, like we were gonna steal it, like the food was that good. And you know, like I knew, so I didn't want to like just be bombarded like filming and stuff. So yeah. I work for the department I'm specifically in is benefits, like health insurance type stuff, all that, but I also am / payroll. So payroll is trying to get paychecks out, so they were like, oh, can you come in on Saturday for overtime? Y'all know I love overtime, so I was like, okay, I guess. So I will show you guys the office on Saturday because there's not gonna be a lot of people there, so I can actually film. So yeah, all right, I will see you guys at my next, I don't know, I'm gonna see y'all though. I gotta dry morning, guys. Ugh, I sprayed way too much perfume. Anyway, I am on my way to the office because, well, it's Saturday. I'm only working like 3-4 hours, but they asked me if I wanted to do overtime, and y'all know Angel likes to get some money. So since it's Saturday, we don't have to like dress up. I'm just wearing a sweat outfit and some Crocs. Since it's Saturday, I actually can show you around the office because not a lot of people are here. So let me show you my little cute room. You walk in, it's not decorated yet, but here it is.
We work
Biscuits.
from 8 to 6.
I would have known they were only giving us plain biscuits. What about my meat? I'm gonna sit here and eat until they give me an assignment. While I'm just sitting here, let's go look at other people's cubicles. So this is the view, and I love it. Show you guys, it's personal information, but I'm doing payroll. These are payroll numbers. I've left the office. I worked 5 hours and 30 minutes. Honestly, I stayed longer than what I wanted to, but you know, I have a hard time rejecting money. It's like a thing that I'm working on. It's at the hospital. Oh Lord, I'm out of breath. This is bad. At at the hospital, I would be working myself ragged just for a paycheck, like, because I wanted more and more money and I wasn't taking care of myself. Like, you know, love of money is not good, and I need to, anyway, that's enough. So I want to go to this cereal bar. Hopefully it's still open, so that's where we're gonna go. I'll meet you guys there. Was such a vibe, y'all. I got this milkshake to go. I'm lactose intolerant, but I'm gonna do it for the culture. So I got cookies and cream, chocolate, and then there's like Oreos or whatever they're called on top. I was talking to the guy. I don't want to be all like filming all up in his business, but he's telling me he's part owner, and I was telling him I really tried to support Black-owned businesses in West Virginia because there is like none. I mean, there's some, but it's not a lot, so it's important to like support them. So yeah, I think I'll go back there. I don't eat cereal like that, but it's a vibe, you know? All right, I have stuff to do. Nothing worth filming. Well, I guess it could be, but I gotta get home. This is gonna tear my stomach up, but it's so freaking good. Hey guys, so it is many hours later. I've just been cleaning, organizing. I'm like exhausted really, but the Spider-Man movie, Going Home or whatever it's called, is out, so I really want to see that. One thing about me, I love to see movies. Like, that is my thing. I don't care what nobody says. I love to go to the movie theaters and see a movie. When the pandemic hit and the movie theaters were shut, I was devastated, but as soon as they opened, I was right there. But yeah, they have a lot of night showings, so I'm gonna go to the movies, and then I guess I might show you guys. If you guys don't see me in the movie, this is the end of the vlog. So I will see you guys next time. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend. You know, I'm out here. I need subscribers. So yeah, see you guys next time.